To schedule post on TikTok, first of all, we have to install TikTok Studio. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for TikTok Studio. All you have to need install TikTok Studio in your smartphone. Once it's installed, open the TikTok Studio and log in using your TikTok account. Once you successfully signed in, now to schedule a new post, tap this upload option and now select videos. Select the video that you want to upload or schedule. You can upload multiple videos and photos as well. Tapping on next. In here, tapping on next, and we can see the schedule post option showing. So tapping on schedule post. Now select a scheduling date and a time. And tap on done. Tap on schedule. And your post will be scheduled in here. So that's how you can actually do it.